Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the B11 filter on TikTok. So now I'll show you how you can apply the filter before recording a video. So this is the filter button, tap there. Now choose landscape. Okay, and slide. And this is the B11 filter. Tap on it to apply the filter. And now you can record a video. Okay, let's remove the video. Remove the filter, I mean. Okay, you can apply the filter after recording a video also. So let's record a video. Done. Now at the top you can see the filter button. You can tap there, choose landscape, go to B11, and that's it. You can adjust. Okay, let's go back. Okay, if you want to apply the filter on a pre-recorded video from your gallery, you can do that also. Choose the video. Hit next. Tap on the filter button. Again, go to landscape and choose B11, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get B11 filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. In the next video.